Good morning, student. This is our conversation class. In conversation, which chapter we are going to do? We are going to start in chapter number 11, I Can Dance. What is chapter name? Chapter number 11, I Can Dance. Okay? Here we are going to study the ability to say what things you can do and what thing you cannot do. Somebody can climb a tree, but somebody cannot. Somebody can dance, but somebody cannot. Okay? Somebody can sing, but somebody cannot. So those who can do what activity, how to say it? I can do this, I can do this, I can, and what activity you cannot do. Okay? So here this thing you have to understand. And then use of can means you will use can. Earlier you have used may and now you will use can. We are not going to ask any permission. We are using can here. What you can perform. Okay? Okay? Can is used to tell about what things you can do or what action you can do. That thing, for mentioning that thing, you will use can. Okay? For mentioning. Okay? For mention, for description, for describing, you will use here can. Understand? So come here. Let's start. That is page number 81 of your book. Okay? First page. There is a track is given. You have to listen. Listen and sing the song. Sing along. Means you have to listen, then you have to sing. So this is for your enjoyment. You will listen the song and you will learn. Okay? Next, turn the page. It is 82 page. Now, listening and learning means you have to listen it properly, then learn how they are saying, speaking. Razak and Meena are talking. Means here two students are there, two children are there. Razak and Meena, they are talking. Listen to them and say what they are talking about. Listen to them and say what they are talking about. What they are talking about, you have to listen the track. Then after listening, what you understand, what they are talking, what action they can do, okay, and what action they cannot do. Okay, if you listen here, Razak is saying that I can climb a tree, okay, I can read a book. Then Meena is saying I can jump, okay, I can play guitar, I can sing a song, and I can dance. Okay, same thing. And Razak is saying, yes, I can do swimming, I know drawing, I can sing a song, and I can dance. So this is all about Razak and Meena. And what they cannot, Meena cannot climb a tree. Okay? And Razak cannot cook. Here it is not mentioned. So some activity what they can do, they are saying with each other, and then saying you can do means if I can do, Razak is saying I can read a book, I can draw, I can do swimming. Can Meena do? Meena is saying yes. If the activity he can do, then she is saying yes, I can, I also know, or I can do this. But what she cannot, she is saying no, I cannot. Okay, use of can and cannot. Okay, now same thing after listening, same thing. Okay? Listen to Razak and Meena again. You have to listen them again. Tick what the children can do. Here only those actions you have to tick what Razak and Meena can do. See here. First it is given Razak is cooking. No, Razak cannot cook. Then if you listen, and here Razak is painting. Okay. Yes, he can, drawing. He can do drawing. Okay. Next, Razak is reading. Yes, Razak can read. Okay. Razak can read. Then Razak, Here showing he is climbing a tree. Yes, Razak can climb a tree. Then see Meena. Meena is jumping. So Meena can jump. Meena is saying I can jump. Then Razak is there. He says that I know swimming. I can swim. Okay. Then Razak is saying, Razak is not saying anything about the guitar. Only he is asking Meena, can you play a guitar? Then Meena is said, yes. Meena said, I can play guitar. Then she doesn't say that she can climb a tree. So don't mark. She says that she can sing a song and she can dance. Here Razak in the last dancing. Yes, Razak also said that I can sing a song and I can dance. Okay, so what activity they can do? First one, Razak, drawing, reading, climb, swimming, then dancing. And what activity about Meena? Meena jumping, then singing and dancing, and then she can play a guitar. Okay, understand? So this is all about what they are saying, what can they do and what they cannot. So your work is to learn any three things that you can do. Okay, any three actions that you can do, and learn any three actions that you cannot do. Okay, three action what you can do and three actions what you cannot do. Understand? Now see, come to page number 8383. What it is written? See, again track is there, you have to listen. Ryan is talking about what different animal can and cannot do. Ryan is talking about what? Some animal, what they can do and cannot. Listen carefully and tick the actions that each animal can do. You have to listen the track and then you have to tick what they can do. Put a cross on the actions they cannot do. You have to put the cross what action they cannot do. So see, the first picture is of bird. What Ryan is saying, a bird can fly but it cannot carry anything. Okay. So tick on fly and cross on carry. Now see, next about the elephant. He is saying that elephant cannot fly but it can carry load. Okay, but it can carry load. So you have to cross the fly part and tick the carry part. Next one is kangaroo. What kangaroo can do? Kangaroo can hop well. Okay, but it cannot walk. It's always hop. Okay. Next, leopard is there. Okay, what leopard can do? Leopard can run very fast but cannot lay eggs. Okay, leopard cannot lay eggs, only can run very fast. Okay, next picture is of about fish. Okay, here mentioned fish can swim well because it lives in water but it cannot walk on land because fish live in water. If we take out from the water, it will die. So here it is mentioned that fish can swim in water but cannot walk on land. It will be cross. Then there is a picture of snake. So what Ryan is saying about snake? Snake can slide. Okay, slide. It has no legs but it can slide now. Slide. But cannot run. It has no leg to run like this. So that is why it is a snake can slide on the ground but cannot run. Okay. And in the last it is saying that a goat it is different. It is not given here. Okay. If you listen the track, you can see a goat can eat the small plants and leaves and all that, but it cannot eat a big tree. Okay, because it is out of her reach. So here I am taking a goat can walk, can run, but could not able to lay egg. A goat can walk, run, but cannot lay egg. Understand? So these are the activity you have to listen. You have to listen, then you have to mark in your book. Understand, students? So this is all about this chapter, 3 pages I have teach you. Now listen what you will learn. You will learn 3 things you can do. 3 things you can do. Suppose you can say, I can jump, I can run, I can swim. Okay, and you can say, I can sing, I can dance. So these are the thing you will say in sentence by using can. But you cannot do, you can say, I cannot climb a tree. Okay, I cannot dance, I cannot sing a song, because everybody could not sing and everybody could not dance. Understand? I cannot draw well. Understand? So these are the things you have to learn. 3 things what you can do and 3 things which you cannot do. You have to learn by yourself. Practice it and learn it, student. Okay? Today's teaching over. Thank you, students.